All right, so I had Scotty turn the lights off in the garage here. I got the headlights on. The high beams are on. Low beams, high beams. Brake light comes on when the high beams are on. I'm assuming that's because somebody has switched the high beam and the brake warning light. Dash lights don't do anything no matter what you do. But Scotty, you said all our running lights are bitching?
Yeah, all running lights are perfect. There's no issues. The turn signal, hazards, nothing.
Nice. All right, well, that's positive. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to try to fire this fucker up, eh?
Yeah.
I'll turn off the headlights because I want voltage. Come on, old girl. Scotty! Scotty! Grab the brake fluid. All right, she runs. She's charging. She's got oil pressure. Back works. Gas gauge works. Radio works. Brake pedal feels good. We'll know more tomorrow. Nice. Scotty's rolling.
Rolling.
I'll see you in a while.
See you in a while.
Turn the lights back on.